Nafasi hii nataka niitoe kwa anayesoma tribute ya watoto. Nafasi hii ninaitoa kwa anayesoma tribute ya watoto. I don't know how it is, Joyce. Johnny.
Mom, you are my whole world. You are the one who I could call anytime. You show up with love. Sometimes even with KFC in your hands. Sometimes telling us to get ready for a trip or small adventure. Those moments told me how you feel. Those moments made me feel so special and seen. I loved how you called my name and how you made me laugh. And how your hands make everything feel right again. I will miss your voice, your smile, and the way you always knew what we needed without us even saying it. Even though you're not here with me now, I carry your laugh everywhere I go. I will try best to live in a way that makes you proud. The mood of the dad, my sister, and just as you always wanted. Thank you, Mom, for loving me so completely, filling my life with joy, surprises, memory. I will never forget. I will love you forever, and you will always be in my heart. I will never ever forget your love, and I will dearly miss you.
Inua mikono yako. Watoto hawa wanahitaji nguvu kuliko mtu mwingine yote. Wanahitaji nguvu kuliko mtu mwingine yote. Nyosha mikono yako kwa hawa watoto. You might not know really exactly what is happening, but they need God. They need God. Sasa nafasi iliyokuwa ya mwisho kwa familia ni aliye na tribute ya bwana yake Maite. Sky yako na yake, a minute. Sky yako na tribute yake, please mlete. Do all what you can, start behind her. Welcome him. Sorry for that, Michelle.
I just wrote this tribute right now because I wrote it based on what I was feeling, so I wrote it right now. Jeanette and Preta, come on stage right now if you like, you can hear me. Okay, as you know, today is my mother's memorial. I don't want to turn today into a sad day because today is a day to remember all our beautiful moments with her. Today I just want to talk about the most cherished moments I have with her. Just like any mother and daughter relationship, fights and misunderstandings are common. Sometimes she used to make me so angry to the point I question her love for me. But fights come and go, and when they do go, my mom turns into the most happiest and funniest person around. For those who don't know, my mom is an awesome storyteller. one of her best features. She can make you sit and listen to her stories for hours. I used to tell her my stories also, all of my dreams and what I want to become. She used to support all of them, even though I sounded unrealistic at times. She didn't care. She used to never listen. She used to tell me to never listen to what the haters said and to always be confident. All funny content you see me doing online and was all her amazing plan. She was always the woman behind the camera shouting words of encouragement. It's sad to think about the fact that I won't experience it. And not to mention, she was the one who brought me up in Christ. She used to pray for hours, and since the early age of 6, I joined her, curious of what she was speaking to God about for hours. I know most kids don't like watching Bible stories, they're only interested in cartoons, but I love reading and studying the Bible, and I'm really genuine with that. The day the news was broken to me, I didn't even cry. I thought everyone was pranking me. I was like, jokes over, when will I see my mom? It soon hit me when I saw the sad, worried faces of everyone looking at me. I was weak, pale, and I didn't want to eat. I was brought to a room to see her for the last time. I felt like my world was crashing down. Seeing your mother's lifeless body on a hospital bed, still sweating because she was fighting for her life. The day before she died, I remember praying so many times. I also fasted. I did so many Beaches who were known to people at the Bayo. She was my mom. My mom, my best friend, a comforter, idol, role model, and so much love. Take me days to feast. It's at me. It's sad to me to know that I'll never make any money with my favorite person anymore. But I do promise her that I'll make her proud. Thank you.
Pray for them. Say, I want to pray.